Hi guys, it's Demi. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this cool robot, and it's
Caddy
Widder.
Yep.
And it's for ages 8+, and it has like some sort of sign language, I think you could kind of say.
Gesture control.
Yeah. Let's open it. And and also you can get a pink robot like that, or you can get a blue one like that. Which one do we have? We've got the blue one. It comes with some
Instructions.
Control instructions.
And it's by SGILE.
This is the robot. Then it comes with this control, and then because you know the gesture controls, the sensors are here and here, and the charger goes there. The charger is here. Then if you want to turn it on, the button is just right there.
Yo ho, my friends, come on! Let's rock and roll! Music!
I thought I was going to fall off the table. How cool is the little robot?
It's amazing, isn't it, guys?
It's got some cool moves.
And also, if you want him, to stop, the stop button.
Oh.
Stop. There's a stop button, and then this here means it's got to go forward. I'm moving away, so
Slide forward.
see. And then this one would be
Turn right.
turn right, and then this one would be turn left.
Turn left.
Then this one we go backwards.
Slide backward.
Then these two would be the up one would be
Forward.
the bottom one would be backwards, I guess.
Backward.
Yeah.
It's cool.
And then for the music, you've got a plus volume and a down lower volume.
Yeah.
And the stop button, the demo, what we don't know what it means, and then the patrol, dance, music, program, and that.
Why don't you play with me?
Why don't you show them the hand gesture one?
Okay. The hand gestures are in here instead of just the boxes. I'm now going to show you the gestures controls. So forward, backwards, left and right.
I'm so bored. Come on, let's play together.
Forward,
Oh, try again. It's just catching it right. That
that's
forwards.
forward.
Oh. He's having a bit of a jig there.
Backwards, left,
Bring it forward to you. Oh. Yeah, it's right. It's doing. Yeah, it's doing it by you doing it, and having a little jig at the same time. You having fun with that?
No, I don't know. We need to go back. I want you to turn. Let's go backwards now. Bye, guys. We'll leave the link down below in the description. Bye, guys. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe.